This is Malcolm Ruff, Delegate Stephanie Smith, Billy Murphy Law Firm. All right. You're doing a Juneteenth celebration. Well, freedom ain't never free. Freedom is something you got to fight for. Malcolm Ruff was a state's attorney when I started. Well, no, he was at the University of Baltimore law student when I started this. He was sitting in the state's attorney's seat when I went to court in 2011. It's making a movie about our elected officials and our judges and our lawyers and our politicians. Commode emotion, all right? That's the toilet. This toilet is a political statement, freedom of speech, a focal point for my movie Letters Design. That's notarized. That's notarized. And like you said, on stage, you worked at Scott Shellenberger's office. I'm looking for exoneration of the Supreme Court in 2025, and you're going to be my main witness. See this? That's Greg Bernstein, 2/2/2011, 8:52 a.m. That's timestamp. That's timestamp. You feel me? We talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry, racism in your judicial system, Fox 45. And we talking about the Atlas Group. The Atlas Group puts a lot of money in politicians' pockets. The Atlas Group takes care of a lot of politicians. That's David Smith. The Atlas Group. This is a breakdown of your criminal enterprise. Governor O'Malley's mob machine. Judges, the lawyers, the politicians, even Mayor Brandon Scott, when he was Councilman Scott. Like I said, you want to hide something, hide it in a book. We're going to fill these pages up. I'm a whistleblower from 2018. Like I said, it's in the book, 2018. See that? Governor O'Malley's mob machine. And Ivan Bates got this. We're talking about Jim Crow justice and Jim Crow laws. That's our public defender, state public defender. We got black representatives protecting Jim Crow justice. You feel me? Michelle Alexander wrote the book, The New Face of Old Jim Crow, The New Jim Crow. Well, I named the politicians. Racism don't work without black cooperation. I wouldn't be in jail. I wouldn't have went to jail if they would have stood up. Like I said, I'm not Emmett Till. I'm Shorty. The world is watching. I'm going to give them something to see. You feel me? These are the supporters of Shorties. Racism don't work without black cooperation, but it ain't going to end without white participation. That's June 1986. Dwayne G. Davis, Richard Longmire. I'm a prisoner's right advocate. I advocate for inmates and prisoners since 1986. Since 1986. So, like I said, the new Jim Crow. He already said he was in the office when I did it. Toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. We talking about Public Accommodations Act. The right to use the bathroom. The right to access the court. Taxation without representation is denied on my constitutional right. We talking about a Juneteenth celebration? Well, I still ain't free.